Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clear cache in Google Chrome web browser and boost your browser's performance. I show you guys how to do that. Open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon, select more tools and select clear browsing data. Now you just need to set the time range to by your preferences guys. I'm gonna set this to all time, and if you don't want to delete your browsing history, then you just need to uncheck it guys, and you want to select cookies and site data and cached images and files, both check mark it and select clear data. After doing it, close your browser and relaunch it. Clearing cache help you to boost your browser performance guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.